Hey everyone, today we're doing a fun career themed nail art, police, cooking and tailoring. Which jobs is your favorite? Let's dive into the tutorial. Starting with a police and detective design. First, apply a matte top coat over a black base. For a cool trick, apply a little white gel to your own finger and press it onto the nail for a realistic fingerprint effect. For the next nail, let's create a police caution tape. Draw two thick white bands and fill them in with yellow. Please like the video if you enjoy the designs. Now, add diagonal black stripes. Look how edgy that looks. Now for the coolest part. Stamp another fingerprint, then use a metallic gel to draw a magnifying glass right over it. Here is the secret. Add a glossy top coat only inside the glass to make it pop and look real against the matte background. And here is the final look. An awesome detective-inspired set. Do you like to be a hot police? Let's cook up some delicious nail art. We're starting off with a beautiful creamy base color on all the nails. For our first nail, I'm using white gel to paint a classic chef's hat. I'll outline it in black and adjust a touch of shading to make it pop and look super realistic. Finish with a top coat and we're ready for the next one. Time to make a wooden cutting board. I apply a layer of blooming gel but don't cure it yet. I add sticks of brown gel and let them spread into a perfect wood grain. Once cured, I paint the chef knife using metallic silver for the blade and black for the handle. To add a pop of color, I'm painting red circles on the corners and detailing them into juicy tomato slices. Lock it in with a top coat. For the third nail, I'm drawing a metallic fork and twirling some delicious yellow spaghetti around it, adding a brown outline for depth. Now for our fun 3D effects. I use a rubber base to create raised drops. Paint them red and voila, perfect drops of tomato sauce. One last top coat to seal it. And bon appetit! Here is our final culinary inspired set. I hope you love it as much as I do. Let's create our final tailoring look, a super stylish denim set. Grab light blue and white gel with a sponge over a navy base to get that realistic denim texture. Apply a matte top coat to all nails to make the fabric texture look totally authentic. On the first nail, there are classic yellow stitch lines, and place a 3D gold stud for a realistic touch. For the second nail, paint a small triangle at the top and outline the zipper area with black gel. Use metallic gel to create the zipper puller. And detail the teeth. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss my next tutorials. And add side stitching. On the third nail, paint a cute denim pocket. Add yellow stitches and top it off with a gold rivet. I would be happy to read your comments and know what you think. And here's the finished, tailor-made denim set. Hope you love this look. Thanks for watching my video and tell me what career should I do next, let me know.